Good morning students. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is mode. So mode is then another topic, most important topic of the central tendency of the statistical series. In this, the value which occurs most frequently, that is called mode. The highest frequency or the most occurred frequency is called mode. For example, if out of 100 students in a class, 70 students recorded their age as 15. So, it would be said that the age of would be 15 years. The word mode is derived from the word la mode, things in vague or fashion. In statistics, is generally represented by letter Z, as we have denoted mean with X bar, median with M, and mode it is noted by Z, capital Z. So what is the definition of mode? Mode means the value of variable which occurs most frequently in the distribution. So this is called mode. Now, calculation of mode. While we are calculating mode can be calculated with the help of two methods. First one is inspection method and second one is grouping table method. So, first of all is inspection method. Now, what do we do in inspection method? In inspection method, we have to do nothing, but we have to inspect our data. In individual series, firstly, we have to arrange our data in ascending or descending order. As in this given series, what data is given, and while arranging the data, we have found that 17 occurs 2 times, 18 occurs 2 times, then 22 occurs 4 times. So in this, with the help of inspection method, we have find out that 22 occurs most frequently, so mode is 22. Next is by converting the individual series into discrete series. What we can do, we can convert our individual series into discrete series, and the digit which is having the highest frequency, that is called the mode of that particular series. So this is inspection method in individual series. Thank you.